Whoa, welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. And today we're doing
egg surprise with shapes.
yes, surprise eggs with shapes inside. Are you ready to discover what shapes are inside the eggs?
Yeah!
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!
Alright, pick one egg. Let's see what's going on. Pick one.
Here.
Ooh, shake it, shake it. Ooh, let's see what's inside.
I see something pink.
See something pink? Ooh, what is that?
Pentagon.
Let me see. Show it to me. Let me see. Ooh, it's a pink pentagon. Yes, we have a pink pentagon inside the egg.
Whoa, it's spinning around.
Whoa, you got it all spinning around.
We try
Spin it
again.
again. Try it again. Let's
Wow.
see. Whoa.
We try
so
again.
much fun.
We try again. Wow, it's so fast.
Whoa, so fast. All right, put it over here in the cart. Boom.
So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 more eggs to go. Yes, you're right. Pick one more egg and let's see what we get. Shake it, shake it. All right, let's see.
It's a teal triangle.
Oh, it's a teal triangle. Let me see. Ooh, a teal triangle.
And we spin around. Whoa!
Whoa.
It's like wiggling around.
Yeah, let's see. Wiggle it around.
Whoa!
Whoa. All right, let's see.
Whoa, it's so fast!
Whoa, so fast. All right, let's see.
Spinning so fast.
Spinning so fast.
Like spinning so fast.
Teal triangle. All right.
And we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 more eggs to go. Yes. All right. Dee 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 dee. Ooh, shake it, shake it.
It's a teal square.
Ooh, let me see. Let me see. Let me take a look at it. Ooh, it's a teal square.
Wait, spin around.
Spin
Whoa.
around.
Wow!
A teal square.
Wow! Wow!
Wow. Be careful. All right, let's go with another
I was
egg.
trying to get it.
Let's try another egg.
I was trying to get it.
Ooh.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 eggs to go. Yes. All right. Let's see. Let's pick one up. What could we get? Ooh. Let's see.
Whoa!
Whoa. What is that?
It's like a green plus.
A cross. Yes, a green cross. Let me take a look at it. Ooh, a green cross.
Wait, spin around. Woo!
Spin it around.
Wee! I want to spin around.
Whoa.
Woo!
Whoa. All right. Let's put it in the cart.
Here.
All right.
And we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 more eggs to go. Yes, you're right. All right. Boom. Shake it, shake it. All right. Let's see what we get.
A blue oval.
A blue oval. Let me see. A blue oval.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Hiya! This thing's so slow. Whoa! I just push it away. Here. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 more eggs to go. Yes. Ooh, let's see.
Whoa!
Let's see what we can get.
I'm shaking it so fast.
Whoa, that's a lot of shake. Let's see what we can get. What is it? Let's see.
See something pink.
You see something pink?
It's a pink rectangle.
Whoa, a pink rectangle. Let me take a look at it. Whoa, a pink rectangle. Nice.
And we spin around. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, look at that. Spin it around again. Let me see.
Whee!
Whoa.
It's bumping so fast. Woo! Whoa.
All right, let's see what we can get on the next egg.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 more eggs to go. Ooh, let's see.
I'm taking it so fast.
Super fast. All right, let's see what we can get.
Oh, I almost opened it.
Ooh.
It's a red circle.
A red circle. Let me take a look at it. Whoa, a red circle. So nice.
Wait, spin around.
Let's see.
Woo! Wait. Wah! Wait. No! Wait. I'm trying to spin it around so fast.
Whoa. Oh, it was spinning right there.
It's bumping so.
All right, let's pick the next one.
Yeah. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 more. Let's see. Ding, 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 ding. Let's see what we can get.
I'm taking it so fast.
Let's see what we can get.
Wait, I see something yellow.
Ooh, what's in there?
Yellow moon.
A yellow moon. Let me see. Let me take a look at it. Ooh, a yellow moon. Nice.
Wait, spin around. Woo! Woo! Wait, I'm trying to spin so fast. Whoa, not so fast.
So fast. Spinning
Well,
the yellow moon.
It like go on the side. Now we can
All
put it.
right, put it in the cart.
Got it. Here. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 more. Let's see what we can get. Shake it.
So fast.
Yeah. All
Super
right.
duper fast.
Let's see what we can get.
It's red.
Ooh, and what is that?
A red hexagon.
Ooh, that's a hexagon?
Yes. Wait, spin around.
Yes, that's
Ooh,
a
oh, it's so
hexagon.
fast.
Whoa, let me see. Look at that. Woo. That was spinning so fast.
I'm
A
trying to
red
blow it.
hexagon.
I'm trying to blow it.
We have a
I
red
blew it.
hexagon
It flipped down.
being blown around and flipped around. All right, let's go with the next one.
I'm trying. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
3 more. Ooh, 3 more eggs. 3 more eggs.
Shaking it so
Shaking it so fast.
fast. Now.
Shaking it so fast.
It's something green.
Something green?
It's a green star.
Ooh, a green star. Let me take a look at it. A green star.
Wait, I'm trying to
Nice.
spin around.
Spin
Woo!
around. Whoa, so nice.
Woo! Woo! I bumped it over. It was so fast.
Ooh, put it together. Let's put it in the cart.
And we need 1, 2.
2 more. Whoa.
Yeah.
Shake it.
Ah!
What could it be?
Something yellow.
Something
It's
yellow.
a little heart.
It's a yellow heart? Let me take a look at it. Let me see. Ooh, it's a yellow heart.
Heart.
Let me see it. A yellow heart.
We
Nice.
see. We spin around.
Spin around.
Oh, it's so fast.
Whoa.
Woo!
Yellow heart spinning
Answer.
around all over the table. Blow it, blow it.
And we need one more.
One more, the last egg.
Daddy-o!
Yes.
We're
What?
so lucky.
Yes. What could it be?
Now,
Ooh. What?
something blue.
Something blue?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a blue diamond.
Oh, blue diamond. Let me take a look at it.
Wow.
Let me see.
Look at this piece of
Let me
diamond
take a
spinning
look
around.
at it. Ooh, a blue diamond.
Ooh, oh, it's
Spin
big.
around.
Push.
Whoa. A blue diamond. All right, put it in the car and let's count all the eggs.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was super spinning. All
It's
right.
like fun together.
Yeah, all right. All right, let's count the eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 eggs.
Let's go over what we learned today. This is the blue diamond. This is the yellow heart. This is the green star. This is the red hexagon. This is the yellow moon. This is the red circle. This is the pink rectangle. This is the blue oval. This is the green cross. This is the teal square. This is the teal triangle. This is the pink pentagon. Today you have learned some basic shapes and colors. Woo!
Have you learned new shapes today?
Yeah!
All right.
Let's